10 Incredible Health Benefits of Eating Watermelon. Watermelon is one of the most refreshing and nutritious fruits you can eat. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven health benefits of adding watermelon to your diet. 1. Hydration. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it an excellent source of hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, regulating body temperature, and transporting nutrients. 2. Vitamin C. Just 1 cup of watermelon contains over 20% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient for immune function, skin health, and collagen production. 3. Lycopene. Watermelon is rich in the antioxidant lycopene, which gives it that vibrant red color. Lycopene has been linked to reduced risk of certain cancers and heart disease. 4. Citrulline. Watermelon contains the amino acid citrulline, which can help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. This may provide benefits for heart health and blood pressure regulation. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants in watermelon, including vitamin C and lycopene, have anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce inflammation throughout the body and lower disease risk. 6. Diabetes management. Studies show that watermelon may help improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. This makes it a great food choice for those with diabetes or at risk of developing it. 7. Muscle soreness relief. Citrulline in watermelon may also help reduce muscle soreness and speed up post-exercise recovery. This makes watermelon a great post-workout snack. 8. Skin health. Watermelon is high in vitamins A and C, which are important for healthy skin. The lycopene in watermelon may also protect the skin from UV damage. 9. Bone health. Watermelon contains calcium, magnesium, and other nutrients that are crucial for strong bones. Adequate intake of these minerals can help prevent osteoporosis. 10. Eye health. The antioxidants in watermelon, including vitamin A and lutein, support eye health. They may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. In conclusion, always remember that watermelon is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Adding watermelon to your diet can provide a wide range of impressive health benefits. So be sure to enjoy watermelon all summer long and reap the rewards for your health. Subscribe for more.